Hello, what's up YouTube? Photographer Ronnie Natural, and this tutorial or this behind the scenes, I want to give you tips of how you can easily shoot outdoors using flash photography. So if at all you want to shoot outdoors using flash photography, I want to give you some tips. And for my camera setup, I'm using the Canon 6D camera Mark 1 and the 70-200mm f2.8 for Canon. And basically for my lighting, it is the Godox AD600 BM. So when you're shooting outdoors, the very first thing you have to take into consideration is, first of all, getting the base ISO. And with the base ISO, I'm just going to be using mine at 160, and I'm going to be shooting wide open. So remember, when you're shooting wide open, you are going to be having too much light entering the camera sensor through the lens. So for my lens, it can open up to f2.8, meaning more light is going to be entering the camera. So what you have to do, that is when you have to involve in high-speed sync. So make sure the flash you're using is a high-speed sync enabled kind of flash. And before you introduce in the flash, expose for the background or the ambient light. So with ISO 160 and f2.8, I'll just simply turn off my flash and I'll take a test shot right here. So I'm just going to take a test shot. So I have to make sure the background is properly exposed. So ISO 100, 250th of a second, f2.8. I've now exposed for the background. So after doing that, the next thing I'm going to do, I'll simply turn on the flash, and it is going to be at around 1 out of 4, and I'll take a test shot with the light turned on. And right now this looks okay, it looks great. And for the white balance, I'm using 5600 and I'm shooting in picture style of landscape. So let's start taking these images. So I'm just going to start taking. So let's get the model in the video too. So I'm shooting at f2.8 and I'll take this, and this looks great. So let me just take more. Perfect. Let me get a closer one. Nice. So can you come, I think, this side? Go from this side. Nice. Perfect. Can you change the pose? No, just stand straight. 1 foot in front. This one. Yeah, in front. Like that. Perfect. Let me just get a little bit behind. Nice. Perfect. Then, are you down? Yeah. Okay. Okay. A moment. That's nice. Get that. Better. Can you sit? Yeah. Nice. This is beautiful. So as you're shooting, always remember to compliment your model, because that kind of motivates them as you're taking the photos. Always give them those nice compliments. Okay, can you squat a little bit? Yeah, I like that. Perfect for this outfit. Wow, this is nice. I like the attitude. Can I have a little bit of the attitude when you're looking outside with no smile? Yeah, like that. Perfect. Let me just reduce my ISO a little bit to 125. Nice. Okay. So this is it for today's behind the scenes. And if at all you have learned a thing out from this video, don't forget to give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe if at all you have not yet subscribed to this channel. Ronix from Ronix Photography. Thanks for watching. I'll see you yet more tutorials on this channel and behind the scenes. And don't forget to keep practicing and also keep creating.